Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel, exploring the current trends in kitchen wall color combination. Opens a world of possibilities for homeowners and interior designers. Kitchens are no longer limited to plain white or beige. Instead, they have become a canvas for creative color expression. One popular trend is the use of contrasting color schemes where deep bold colors like navy blue or forest green are prepared with softer neutrals. These combinations add depth and personality to the kitchen. Another trend is the use of two-tone cabinets and walls, creating a visual divide that adds interest. This often involves the lower cabinets and the kitchen island sporting a different color from the upper cabinets or walls. This creates a modern and dynamic look. Soft pastels such as plush pink or pale mint green have also made their way into kitchen color palettes, adding a touch of elegance and whimsy. In addition, muted earthy tones like terracotta and warm grays have gained popularity, evoking a cozy and rustic ambience. Current trends also emphasize the use of natural materials and textures to complement the color choices. For instance, combining earthy wall colors with wooden or stone elements can create a harmonious and nature-inspired kitchen. These trends in kitchen wall color combination showcase a shift towards more diverse, personalized, and vibrant choices, allowing homeowners to infuse their kitchens with unique style and character. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.